Hi guys, welcome to another session. I hope you can hear me well because I'm outside and my internet connection is somehow. So now I'm going to talk about some Salesforce solution as we did before. As some of you would remember, last week or previous weeks, we talked about some colorful solution for Salesforce. And today we are going to talk about them again. Just during the week and previous lesson, I got some questions from you about these solutions. For example, we talked about account and we said we could use some colorful solution like this. As you see, if my category is blue, I can represent this customer as blue color. And if my customer is green, then I can categorize them as green. Or if it is golden, silver, bronze, or different category of customer, I can do this way. So I got some question from you guys saying that can I represent or can I use the emojis instead of this color? Of course, yes. As you can see here, I did. And I'm going to show you today how to use emojis, as a formula field or as a pick list field so that I will show some values by emojis instead of showing a number, instead of showing some figures, I will use emojis here. So are you ready, guys? So let's see how can we achieve this. So I will try to keep it very short because these videos aim to finish shortly and will be very short solutions and solutions I make it very short. So this time, let's use under opportunities, okay? So I come to opportunity. I think my internet is not really stable. Anyway, so under opportunity, you can use about amount. For example, if the amount is between 0 and 10,000, for example, I can make very sad face. If it is over 10,000 until 50,000, for example, it is a bit smiling face. But it is over than, I mean, higher than 50,000 will be better face. For we can categorize them according to this amount. And also we can use it as stage. So we have different stages in opportunities. For example, let's see this one. So you would remember my stages is like prospecting, qualification, need analysis, value this. So as far as I approach to the end, I will change my emojis face to smiling face. And if I'm just in the beginning, so my face will be sad. So I can use for this one. So keep in mind, we can use the formula field representing by emojis, either for pick list values or for normal values. So it can be a number, integer value, or it can be date as well. So if date is approaching, you can change the emoji, you can change the image generally, the picture you want to show, you want to use it. So let's see how it's possible now. I come to my opportunity object and I want to edit my object. Sorry, my Zoom link is just always, okay, I'll edit my object. So now I'm in object manager and I'm in opportunity object. Come to field and relationship and I'll create new field by clicking new. This field will be a formula field because I'm going to refer to another field, which is stage field. So after then, with this stage field, I'm going to change the emoji I'm going to use for this field. So it will be formula field. So next, I'll put a name. Let's say stage emoji. Okay. and the return type will be text, because if you are referring an image or a figure, it should be a text, because others, as you see, checkbox, currency, date, number, percent, time, these will never show me a picture. But text, I can somehow manipulate and change it to picture. Let's continue. And as you see, we have a formula field. So in formula field, I can use a conditional statement here, like if-else statement, if-else, 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 and finally else. Or we have special function here under this formula field. We call case. So you can use case function as well. So, sorry, case. So case field, sorry, case function. As you see, under case function, we have some parameters here. The first parameter is expression. The next parameter is value and result. So we can make it like this so that we understand easily, like this, and then like this. So we make it like this. Okay. And here, case is checking my expression. So like if-else statement actually is not different from that. So the case saying that if the expression is true, or just the expression, what I'm going to check. So I'm going to check the expression. If it is equal to value 1, show me result 1. If my expression equal to value 2, then show me result 2. And this way, I'm giving comment to the system, just like a switch function trigger, you remember. So expression will be my fields. What field I'm going to refer here? Insert the field. These are opportunity fields. I'm going to use stage field, right? Where is my stage field? Okay, it's here. So insert the field. So stage name. So they saying that if my stage name is something, show me something. If my stage value will be this one, then show me this one. So this way, I'm going to manipulate the picture and images. Okay, what is the stage names then? Let's see here. Let me opportunities. Okay. Field and relationship and stage name. But I want to see the API names. Yeah. Okay, these are API names. So first one is prospecting, right? I'm using prospecting. For the value 2, I'm going to take the stage 2, just this one, and let's pick this one. And for value 3, need analysis. Okay, this API name. So this. Okay. Next one is value position. Yeah. Okay. And next one is this one. Okay. So just copy paste, nothing else here. Is just I'm copying and pasting the values here. Okay. And this. Okay. And so, then next one is negotiation. Let's review. Yes. Just ending. I have 2 more. So it's always good practice to have else, even though I don't have anything for else part, still it's good to have else or this. Okay. So I put all these stages here, but I have not put yet any emojis here. So for these emojis, sorry, by the way, this all should be in quotation mark because otherwise we'll get error for this pick list value, right? So it's always, I should make it like this. Otherwise I will get error here. Yeah. This, so, and sorry guys, I'm in a noisy place, so if you are getting some noises behind, I'm sorry about that. Yes, so, and else part, of course, I don't need anything to put for else part. So after this comma, I will put just one emoji here, that's all. So what is the emoji I'm going to use for this one? Is just in under quotation mark, you can put anything you want to. For example, something like this, emojis, if you want to use like this, and let's say like this, this, and this. This is also emoji, but I don't aim to use this one. However, you can use this one as well if you want. This will show as you did. Instead of this one, then you make underscore, something like this. So it's a bit similar to face. So this is one emoji. However, you can use any emojis, any pictures if you want. For example, let me search for emoji in my browser. And you can just click on get emoji. Here under this website, you will see categorized emojis like emoji, animals, any flowers, or something else. So which one you want to use? For example, from down to up, I will use something like, let's say I'm very sad for the first stage because I'm taking and pasting here. As I said, I can use this one. Let me leave this one so that you will see how it's showing to me. But still, it should be under quotation. Otherwise, it will give me error like this, okay? For the second one, let's find something better. Maybe this one, okay? Just, I will put my quotation, just put it here. Next one will be, I don't know which one is. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, here again, put inside my quotation mark. Next will be anyway, actually, I see there's no meaning, but put anyone you want. So let me just randomly put something, and this will be this one. Yes. Okay, and sorry. Next will be another one. Okay, this one a bit happier. You can see. I just copy it and paste. Any figure you copy it and paste here will show here, by the way. Don't worry about this. And finally, clause one. Clause one should be something really, really. Let's put this one. I don't know. Okay. And clause lost should be something really angry, let's say. Okay, let me use this one. And that's all. So for the else part, you can put something else, whatever you want to use here. And we'll use this one for the else part, like this. Okay. So I'm done. Let's check syntax if there's an error here. No error. Okay. Save it. Next. Next. And save. Okay, I saved it. I'm done with my formula. Now we're gonna check perception analysis. Sorry, Bruno, I didn't get your question. The perception analysis missing. So it doesn't matter. So what my aim is just to show my emojis referring these tick list values. So to see it here, I'm going to add this field, that's newly created fields. This stage emoji, right? Stage emoji, which is this one. I put after just stage, it will be good. I put it here. It's here. So you can see that my status qualification is showing this one. Close won is happy. Close lost is angry. And this way I show. And if there's no the stage that I referred, there's space in between because I put this for else part, right? That maybe that's why. Anyway, you can check it, the formula, but you can use your emojis to refer your pick list value. Again, I'm saying you can use it for amount as well, or for any values for date as well. If date is closer, you can use different emoji. If your date is far, you can use different emojis. So you can represent your values by emojis. By the way, this emoji can be anything. You can use any emojis from here or from other part, from any figure. You can refer anything like icon, like different emojis, and anything you can copy and paste here. That's all. So this is all what I want to show today. So again, I'm saying if my internet is not stable, if there is noise behind the background, I'm sorry for that. So I hope to see you next week for very, very amazing topic. We are going to talk about the Salesforce logic by simply on Excel table. I'm going to explain how integration is working, how this uh, data table, generally Salesforce, looks like from the Google Sheets or from Excel perspective. Thank you very much for listening today. See you next week for this community lesson. What is wrong with the Bro, you see that? Yeah. It's kind of cutting. Oh, you don't do